Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily disable or enable the touchscreen on your Windows laptop or tablet. So this is helpful if your touchscreen is acting up or you just want to use your device with a mouse, so you can follow up the steps. Press Windows plus X and you can go over to Device Manager and hit Enter and access a Device Manager. From here, you can go ahead and find the touchscreen device. In your device manager, you need to go ahead and look out for human. Just go ahead and look out for human interface devices. Expand it up, and you can look out for HID compliant touchscreen. If that option is available, right now I do not have it. Once you find it up, you can just go ahead and right click on the HID compliant touchscreen, not these defined devices and video controls. So you need to look out for the touchscreen one, and here just go ahead and click on the option for disable device. Confirm if prompted, and your touchscreen should respond like stop responding immediately. And in order to turn it back again, you can right click on it, HID compliant touchscreen, and you should be finding option for enabling instead. Go ahead and confirm it, and that should enable the touchscreen again. Alternatively, you can use Windows settings as well. You can close this up, head over to Windows plus I, and open up your device's settings. From there, you can go ahead and look out for your Bluetooth devices and go ahead and look out for your touchscreen if that is available. And however, most of the Windows laptop requires device manager for full control. And if you find the option for touchscreen, you can just go ahead and enable those options from right here. And that's it. Now you can easily disable or enable the touchscreen anytime. So if this video helped, hit the like and also subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.